Let's face it, car myths spread like wildfire. You hear them at the gas station, on forums, or from that one friend who thinks he knows everything about cars. But how many of them are actually true? Today, we're busting 20 of the most common car myths that drivers still believe, and some of them could be costing you serious money or even damaging your vehicle. Stick around and find out which ones you've been falling for. This one's everywhere, but unless your owner's manual requires premium fuel, you're just wasting money. It won't improve performance or fuel economy. Use what's recommended, not what costs more. That was true in the 90s, but today's engines and synthetic oils last much longer. Most modern cars can go 7,500 to 10,000 miles easily between oil changes. Bigger wheels often reduce fuel efficiency and worsen ride comfort. Unless you're tuning for track use, they might actually make your driving experience worse. Modern engines warm up faster when driving, not idling. Let it idle for 30 seconds, then drive gently. Long idles just waste gas and increase wear. You only need to change pads in pairs, front or rear. Mechanics pushing all four might just be upselling you. Used to be true. Now, many modern automatics are more efficient than manuals thanks to better gearing and computer optimization. This is outdated advice. Today's engines are built to start and go. Gentle driving is all the warm-up it needs. Color doesn't affect your insurance. Factors like vehicle type, your driving record, and zip code do. Regular washing protects your paint. Just avoid harsh brushes and use proper soap. Washing often won't damage your car. Neglect will. Unless your mechanic recommends it for a specific reason, engine flushes can do more harm than good by loosening debris that clogs passages. At low speeds, open windows are fine, but at highway speeds, the drag from open windows uses more fuel than running your AC. Dish soap strips wax and protective coatings. Use a pH-balanced car wash soap to preserve your paint. Overfilling can damage the evaporative emission system and waste gas. When the pump clicks, stop. Modern cars have sensitive electronics. One wrong move and you could fry a control module. Use a jump starter with safety features. Noise doesn't equal performance. A loud exhaust might just be a loud exhaust. Power gains require real engine mods. Turbocharged 4 cylinders now outperform some V6s and V8s. Engine tech has come a long way. It's not just about cylinder count anymore. As long as your mechanic uses OEM parts and logs service properly, your warranty is safe. Don't let dealerships guilt trip you. Even brand new cars need fluid checks, tire rotation, and basic care. Skipping these shortens your vehicle's life. Tires differ in grip, durability, and performance. Buying cheap might cost more in fuel and wear over time. A well-maintained used car can be a better deal than a new one. Just inspect thoroughly and get a vehicle history report. How many of these myths did you believe? The auto world is full of misinformation, but the truth saves you money and keeps your car in better shape. If this helped you, drop a comment below with a myth you used to believe and smash that like and subscribe button so you never fall for car nonsense again.